Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an image move in Canva. Yes, you can add animations to your images without any complicated software. It's super easy and add some dynamic effects to your designs. Let's dive in. First of all, let's open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any design type, whether it's an Instagram post. Click on videos, then select Instagram story. Or preferred design format. Next, let's upload the image you want to animate. On the left sidebar, click on Uploads, then click Upload Files. Choose an image from here or device that you want to use. Once your image is uploaded, just drag it into your design and adjust the size as needed. Like that. Now comes the fun part, adding the movement to animation. And to animate your image, click on the image you just uploaded. In the top menu, you will see an option called Animate. Click on that. Canva offers several animation effects like fade, pan, pop, rise, and more. You can preview each effect by clicking on them like that. And I will choose the pan animation for this example, which makes the image slide in far from the left. Once you have selected an animation, you can customize it to suit your design. You can adjust animation speed from here, but it's pro feature. Duration, from here. Adjust how long the animation lasts, from a quick effects to a smoother transition. Like that. You can change the direction, but it's pro feature. I will set the medium speed for I will set this to medium speed for a subtle professional look. To see how your animation look, simply click the play button at the left side of the screen. This will show your preview of your design with the animated image. If you like, great. If you like it, great. If not, just go back to the animate menu and try different animation or tweak the settings. If you want to make your design even more dynamic, you can add more moving elements. Try animating other objects like text, icons, or backgrounds from here. Click on the text or any other element you want to animate. Repeat the same steps we did with the image click add text, then resize it and reposition, then write your text like, and just select it, choose your color like white, change your font style from here like that, and go to animate and choose animation from here like that. Once you are happy with your animation, it's time to download your design. But remember, since we are using animations, we'll need to download it as a video or GIF. Click on share button from here, then click download, select MP4 video or GIF, short clip, no sound. Then click download. And that's it. You have just learned how to make an image move in Canva. It's such a simple and powerful way to bring your designs to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Drop any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.